Hey, it's me, Will, and the Will You Fish With Me YouTube channel. And today, we're going to do some creek fishing!
We're going to do some creek fishing!
Well, our first spot didn't work out, did it?
Right, it was covered in ice.
Solid ice, so we decided to come.
There's an eagle.
Ooh,
Big eagle.
that's pretty cool.
Yep.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Let's go catch some fish.
I don't know about you, bud. I can't see much.
So, me and Daddy wanted to go fishing this weekend, but the first place we went to was frozen solid, so we decided to go to our creek, and I caught a big Kentucky. I like creek fishing because you can catch goggle eye, Kentucky, smallmouth, carp, brim. Like, you never know what you're gonna get. And it's pretty nice fishing in your own backyard.
I think they thought we were getting too close. We'll move.
What lure are you using?
Same as you. Little Kentucky. He's a black.
What?
Said he's a largemouth. Little one. Boy, he got it good. There we go. All right, this one, toss it back upstream as far as you can, but up against the wall. I'm going to move us up a little bit. Hang on, hang on. Very good. You're probably going to get bit there. Did you get him? Easy. Go easy, that's a good one. I got your net. Nice and easy. Bring him around here. Don't horse him. Swing him on him this way. Over here. Oh, well, that's a good fish. Nice Kentucky. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. He's fat.
Now let him go.
Uh-huh. Hang on.
That's a cute Kentucky, alright.
Oh,
Alright.
Will, show him to me.
Buddy.
Yeah.
Look how chubby he is.
All right, turn him loose. Yeah, buddy, that's a good one.
So big, Kentucky.
I told you you're gonna get bit there. Put it back in there. Hang on, let me move this a little closer.
Kentuckys are the same thing as spotted bass, and we catch a lot of them in our creek in the winter. And like as usual, I caught the big fish to outfish Daddy. On this cast, I had a big one bite, and I set the hook and I broke it off. I think Daddy tied the knot wrong, as usual.
There you go. Much better. Nice, easy hook set. Little guy. Here, flip him my way. I'll get him for you.
Got him. He's easy to rehook. That's a huge goggle eye.
Yeah. Get him unhooked and show me. Yeah. Nice one. There you go. Another goggle eye. Little one that time. Here, swing him my way. Let me help you.
Can I let him go?
Sure. That's a tiny one. I'd hand him to you on the paddle. Maybe he won't. There you go. Oops. There you go.
Oh, that's a better one.
I think you're in the goggle eye honey hole.
Yep, I found the goggle eye. You found nothing. You found squat.
Because I'm helping you fish. I'm doing all the work back here.
There's a better goggle eye.
This is what your mom does when I'm trying to tie something on.
Can you help me?
You need some help? Yeah. All right, let go. You okay?
Yeah.
Are they here? Here. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'll catch one with your rod then. Like that. Doesn't feel very big. Little goggle eye. Oh, we're wearing these things out. You want it? Here, you take it. We'll get that hook through your gloves. Did you get it?
Oh, it's gotta be right up there.
You fished that one about perfect. If you didn't get bit, then we need to move. Oh, there we go. You get that one. Here, flip it my way. A little farther.
That's a smallmouth. He's swallowing it.
Oh, he didn't swallow it. I can see it. Drop him in the net here. Nope, he didn't swallow it, but you got him good.
Good.
Not very long, but he's fat. Good job. Okay, Ben's first canoe ride.
Today was a really special day because Mama brought Ben down to the creek and me and Daddy got to take him on his first canoe ride. Ben doesn't really fish with us much yet, but
You like it,
he's
Ben?
nice and sweet and he shares a lot and I just love him.
He's a pretty decent little brother, huh?
Uh-huh.
Maybe someday he'll fish with us.
Yeah, probably someday.
We're not sinking. Hey, Will, make sure you hold his hand when he's getting out, okay? Hey, Ben, was that fun?
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time.